You have likely heard the term martial law in movies or news, but what does it actually mean for civil and economic life? At its core, martial law is the suspension of ordinary civil law, replaced by the direct control of the military. It is a common misconception, but the United States has never actually declared federal martial law across the entire country. When declared, local government functions are often suspended, leading to strict curfews and the replacement of civilian courts with military tribunals. It is important to distinguish this from a state of emergency, where civilian authorities remain in charge and constitutional rights are generally protected. Economically, martial law creates massive disruption. Private commerce grinds to a halt while government resource allocation becomes the only priority. Legal scholars emphasize that martial law is meant to be a last resort measure to restore order, not a tool for governance. Understanding these legal frameworks helps you navigate history and current events. Subscribe for more breakdowns on how society and money intersect.